Police patrol car with flashing lights and siren on during the night raid against crime. Washington, a Fairfax County, Virginia, man suspected to be responsible for years of cases of indecent exposure and sex offenses now faces charges after officials said they linked his DNA to 5 victims in D.C. and Arlington. Charges against Santiago Rodriguez Campos, 34, include at various times, indecent exposure, and/or lewd acts, groping and sexual assaults. He's accused of attacking women on area streets over a nearly 2-year period from September 2016 to a few months ago. The D.C. cases occurred in the areas of Georgetown, Foggy Bottom and DuPont Circle. The Arlington and Virginia cases where Campos is a suspect occurred in the Ballston area. Detectives used DNA analysis to link Campos to victims whose private parts were grabbed from behind by a man who transferred an unknown liquid onto them, according to charging documents from D.C. Superior Court. The documents state police collected Campos' DNA on August 5 from a Styrofoam cup of water he was offered after being arrested for wearing a hood mask in public. Currently, charges against Campos include sexual battery, sexual abuse and indecent exposure. In 2016, on Sept. 5, about 10:30 p.m., a person was sexually assaulted in Georgetown near the intersection of Potomac and M Streets, in Northwest, and on October 26, also in Georgetown, a person was sexually assaulted about 8:15 p.m. near the intersections of 33rd and Q Streets in Northwest. In 2017, on August 29, at about 12:15 a.m. in Arlington on 14th Street and at N. Rolfe Street, a woman encountered a man who exposed himself before brushing past her. In 2018, on May 31, about 10:10 p.m. in Foggy Bottom, a woman was grabbed and sexually assaulted near the intersection of 25th and I Streets in Northwest, and on June 3 at about 11:11 p.m. a woman was grabbed from behind and sexually assaulted. Campos was taken into custody by members of the Capital Area Regional Fugitive Task Force on August 9 and was expected in D.C. Superior Court Monday afternoon for a preliminary hearing. Arlington police state Campos is linked to a series of indecent exposures that may lead to additional charges. Like WTOP on Facebook and follow it Top on Twitter to engage in conversation about this article and others. Copyright 2018 WTOP. All rights reserved. This website is not intended for users located within the European Economic Area.